Guess who's back? Back again. That's right. It's been a month since I last did an episode of my rating on All Engines Go. And for the first time ever, Gordon and Young Bao, my two recent All Engines Go push along editions, and my push along or / motorized Terrence appeared in this series. I know. So, since All Engines Go is dead, I don't know what to base this episode on. What should I base it on? Okay, what should I base this on? I do not even know what I should base it on. Maybe why there's no lions in the show. Maybe because that's too scary for kids. No, that's stupid. That's stupid. I don't want to do that. But I don't even know. So let's just think here. Let's just think. What's that at my door? What should we do for the 9th episode of my rating on All Engines Go? Seriously, Goodman, you're not in this. Go away. Since All Engines Go is dead, I have no ideas anymore. I'm just kidding. I have an idea. Should be about why Mattel ruined it. Why did you ruin it, Mattel? Why did you have to make Duck have only 2 scenes and Sodor sings together? Like, seriously, why couldn't you just give them a speaking role? And the slip coaches, you had to replace them with Donald and Douglas. Seriously, why? Okay, that was kind of weird. Bye.